Sorry, I know I'm late. I know I'm late. I know I'm late. I am so sorry. Can you see I'm very unorganized? I've been sorting out a bunch of things this morning. But it's okay. It's okay. Give me 5 minutes and I will indeed be organized again. Okay. So, what I wanted to do was this. Guys, it is hot as heck. Okay, sorry. It is so hot today. This is ridiculous. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm so sorry for being late. No man. What's up? How are you doing? How's it going? There we go, there we go, there we go. Making sure my life is organized. Good luck to me, I guess. Microwave? I pressed something, but it's okay. I can see my Wi-Fi is freaking out as well. By 1 whole minute, I know, I'm sorry. Hey, Mudcrab and Mike, what's up, guys? Give me 2 seconds to do this, to keep my hair out of my face. Because, oh my gosh. Also, I got a total of like no sleep last night because when I say there was a huge storm last night, it was ridiculous. And normally I sleep really well during storms. Like I like it. I like sleeping during storms. It's awesome. But unfortunately for me, for some weird reason, Perry is now afraid of storms. So you can imagine a nearly 40-kilogram animal literally lying on top of me, expecting me to save him from thunder and lightning. Is my wife, who's this woman? It's up. David? David? Oh gosh. Did the humidity not ease up? I wish. It feels like the humidity is worse than it was yesterday. Okay. Just because, you know, David asked so nicely. And we gotta do a huge shout out for the donation from David. You're lagging just a tad. I can't find your vertical straight. Oh, sorry, Mikuwabe. It should be getting better now. There we go. I apologize. There we go. Whee! Oh, it was just me organizing my life. Okay, so I will announce it again later. Hey Boom, what's up? Boom, did you see what I posted on Discord? Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. I appreciate it. Here we go. Oh, a perfect way to start off the day. I hear that. Okay, good. We're now ready. Sorry, I do think there's a delay, so I do apologize. So, Boom, basically, and for you guys that maybe do not have Discord, I said that if I can get 10 sales on the Traderfy account, so 10 sales obviously using my code TEACHMAYA, I will do a giveaway. Okay, but try to get them in within this week because the 30% discount that they have going on ends on the 15th, so on Sunday. But yes, I will do a giveaway account, and if you want a higher probability / chance of getting the giveaway, if you do buy an account using my code and you send me a DM or screenshot of it, I'll put your name down twice for the giveaway, so you have a higher chance of getting it. Yeah, it's kind of weird. You have 2 streams going. It is the short stream. I know, it is kind of weird, but it's okay. Just wondering if you can explain how you choose your time zone at the bottom right. T-I-N. My game? Good question. Will be Mudcrab and I will be David Prop. And dude, that's fine. No, I don't think so. Number one, David doesn't even, yeah. David doesn't even trade, so no. He will not get any of those. Back into this first presented. Okay. I'm going to delete it. I don't think it's that valid anymore. Can we see it? It took out my 390 point of interest, can I just say? I was looking at that going, haha. I was super chuffed about it. Do I get 10 chances? What if I buy 10 accounts? I mean, then theoretically, yeah. Hey Carlos, what's up? How's it going? Solly, hi, by the way. Also, I think today we'll finally get back to the chart wiggles that we're seeing before the red folder news started last week. Let's see. Your name, he clearly loves proper cat. No, Mikuwave, it's like a little bit of a joke. He doesn't even trade. Hey Tyler, what's up? You're long on EU. Okay. And I already have my own personal accounts while past proper accounts. Oh, but it's a challenge. Remember when we won the first giveaways on Maya stream? Yeah, I can't believe you guys got that. I still actually can't believe it. I was even joking with Boom and oh gosh. Really? 13 years ago, I was passing evals. Wow. Time to win more accounts. Go on then, David. That is hilarious. That is so funny. Okay, sorry. Let's go to focusing. Like I said, I'm so sorry. I know I was a little bit late. So 3. Okay, there's the 3 AM open. A little bit down, there's VWAP. Now, let's do daily. Oh, I forgot to. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Wow, I'm so sorry. Might be tapped into this imbalance. There was that rejection off of it. Did not fill it though. We have not really created. I mean, there's a little bit of an imbalance here. So it could continue a little bit further down. Around that 222 level. Move it back up. Let's see. Okay. Might want to retest slightly. There's not much to retest down here. Well, yeah, not much. Big imbalance there. You should definitely start your own account. 2 goats. It's just hating because we won 13 years ago. I was eating. Who's the hell going to primary school? Wow, actually. Mike couldn't find her glasses. That's why she was late. Wow, daily looking schmecks. Oh gosh, hey Goth, what's up? I'm so glad you're instantly straight into the top down now. She knows what her viewers want to see. Gotta keep you guys happy. We didn't even take out Asia highs. We did yesterday. What? Do you mean today? Sorry, I haven't even checked that yet. Sorry, wait. Like I said, I wonder if it's going to retest slightly. Going back up. Okay, now let's check the 4 hour. Could have a tiny bit of a retest to this, yeah, 232-ish level. Okay, 232-ish level did tap into this order block. So that was the order block I was quite keen on. Let's see if we go into this inverse here, value gap on the 4 hour. What level is this at? 525. Oh, hi. Oh. Need to mark Asia. I know. I'm getting there. Ayo, Samuel, how you doing? You've been asking for a different top down. Damn, Solly, that was quick. That was quick. Gosh, the magic ball is back. Microwave. Shh. That's microwave. Oh gosh. Okay, 1 hour. What is the matter? What's the matter? Is it because you kept me up all of last night? Like I said, it's not so easy falling asleep with a 40-kilogram dog crushing your ribcage. That scared the living daylights out of me, David. You. Hey, Tech, what's up? How you doing? Good morning, good morning. Hope you're doing amazing. Oh, damn. And that's Mudcrab speaking, not Kara. Can you believe it? I'm sorry, David, did you actually get an account? I think David got an account. That is hilarious. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to teach you how to trade now. For the big fella advice to admit him. Sleep on your ribcage. Microwave, he was scared of the thunder and lightning. He wanted me to protect him. I don't know what else to do. Poor baby. So he wanted to, like, I don't know, be as close as possible, and apparently that was lying on top of me, so I was like, okie dokie then. Struggling to break below. I think this is gonna continue to the buy side. Trend is friend, right? Yep, I think this is gonna keep going up. I like this for longs. Let's see. Yeah, I like this for longs. 431, okay. Back up to that level. Let's unhide everything. That's not what it's supposed to look like. There we go. Oh my gosh, I broke it. I broke it. I broke it. Okay. Oh my word. It's having a meltdown. Why is it having a meltdown? Why are we having a meltdown? Okie dokie. Moving on, here's Asia High. See, now I'm marking everything. I know I'm a little bit late, but I'm marking everything. So, ooh, Asia High is right above that point of interest that I had yesterday. Asia Low is now below. Oh, London's kind of stuck between the two of them. Do you think this might want to take out... Why did I press that one? Do you think this might want to take out one and then the other? It's not often that we have both of them up. Normally it wants to take out one side and then continue back up to the next, just from what I've noticed. So this could want to go back down, take out Asia Low before Asia High. It's a possibility. I don't know if it would. Or it could do the opposite, or it could take out Asia High before dropping down to Asia Low. It sometimes does that. Don't, like... There we go. That was nice, that was nice. Let's see if we get continuation now. It's got the high, we're getting a little bit of a decent movement now. I mean, theoretically, this would have been a goodie. Shoot. Oh well, it's fine, it's fine. I was checking top down, it's okay. Maybe I should start the stream a tiny bit earlier. I should probably do that. Anyways. No way, it's Pixar Mom again. What's up? Oh gosh, I loved it. What's so weird about that? Nothing at all. Hey Rusty, what's up? Actually took that breakout trade yesterday on the 5-minute retest candle all the way to the Asia high. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. Hey Rip, what's up? How you doing? Break that back. I think trend is friend here, huh? I think the buy side is looking juicy for longs. Yep. You're probably scared of the thunder and lightning. Mikuava, I'm really not. Like I said, I normally sleep like a baby when there's thunder and lightning. I personally prefer the thunder and lightning and sleeping through it. This could potentially tap back in. Trend is friend. It is continuing up. It did take out those highs though, relative equal highs. Buyers are definitely in play though. This might run away without me. Why? Why is the Wi-Fi being like this today? Why are we doing this? Yeah, just as you said it, I don't even need to talk anymore. Professional trader over here. Depends on the first presented, but I think it will trend towards the bulls. Trend is friend until it's not true. Hey, Low Labs, what's up? How you doing? That's probably a very good idea, to be honest, because then you can get all set up for actual first. 10 minutes early. I do. So maybe I should, because then I can get it all ready for the open. Because like I said, I now missed this juicy trade there. It's just taken out some relative equal highs and tapped into a little bit of a demand zone. I shouldn't be... Don't want to be too hasty with just jumping into things, but it is moving pretty decently. I don't mind the slow down, especially right now. That was a good rejection, but the sellers have started to come into play. I just don't like that VWAP is lower down. This could go further down. What is nice is that it's right by opening price. Absolutely not there. No. Don't know if it's too early to just hop in on this. There's a tiny bit of a volume imbalance there. Nothing wild here. Why doesn't anyone like the stream? Yeah, honestly. Don't forget to press that like button, guys. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day trading. Missy Moo Boo. Wait, my crab, where are you going? Isn't they posted? What? If you know you have stuffed animal. Oh, that died? Good grief. Bad crab, where are you going? Oh, Ernest, you're such a sweetie pie. Thank you. To put all together, have a little fashion, really rumble in the sky. Dogs don't notice lightning around here. Wow. Like button. What are you doing here, lads? You'll need to get your priorities straight. Hey, Debbie, how are you? Aw, my game, you guys are such sweetie pies. Oh, I missed that, which is a good thing. I did say I preferred the larger range because I didn't like VWAP. Okie dokie. Okay, cool. So that would have hit and taken me out very quickly. That would have sucked. Ain't going anywhere. What you on about? Sorry, just the way you said anyway. I hope you have a wonderful trading day. Also, Missy Mubu, did you just call me a cow? Oh gosh. You best not be going anywhere, my adopted father. So, what are we looking at? Well, got Asia high up there, Asia low down there, waiting for confirmation. It did take out relative equal highs. Yeah, would you call this relative equal highs? Yeah, I mean, I guess. I missed this. That one would have been nice, but it is what it is. I was looking for longs, but let's now wait for a tiny bit more confirmation. Let's confirm that we are indeed trending. Ooh, do you think maybe it wants to take out Asia low before continuation back up to Asia high? Ooh, it could. It could maybe want to do that. Let's see. Ow. My horse bit my finger so solidly yesterday. I hope everyone... Oh, thank you, little TK. Tyler, you're 28. Mudcrab, you read into things too much. I'm sorry, it's my thing. How do I put in your code? So there should be a thing when you go and you select what you want to get. It says their discount and you put Teach Maya. It's a long running. Would you not take the last 2 runs as one trade? Mikuwave, explain please. What do you mean? Let's see how much it is. I'm just running out of things to call you my second wife, people. That's hilarious. Go on, ask Kara for some cool nicknames. I'm sure she has a bunch. Believe me, I'm sure there's a bunch. I think it'll bounce before Asia low and the block right around that shelf there. And then I think it'll trend, well, past... I mean, yeah, this is quite decent. It's a... correct me if I'm wrong. I guess same for this one. Is this... No, it's not. Sorry, I'm being blonde. Yeah, I'm being blonde. Never mind. Never mind. Ignore me. Talking rubbish. Also check it on the higher time frames. Now we're going back up. So Mikuwava, were you basically asking about this if I did that? Looks potential, but right now this kind of still looks like it's going sideways. Or let's put it like this. There's not the amount of volume I would like to see right now. Tapping into a little bit of a volume imbalance there. It looks like a double bottom, but that fully depends on the price. So I see the second and the first. Yes. Okay, cool. So yes, you were thinking about this. So I've done backtesting with regards to the range, right? So in general, when it comes to ranges, in general, you know, obviously it's not always 100%, but in general, when it comes to ranges, if it has retested 50% of the range, again, in general, you can move to the next range and then it will respect 50% of that range. That's why you'll see most of the time, if it has not respected 50% of the range, I would potentially just keep following it up, because statistically, yes, statistically, it does come back eventually to the 50% of the range. It's what happened yesterday with that New York trade that I should have taken. I was following the 50% because it hadn't retraced back down to 50%, and you could see it then took that 50%, and that was the trade I should have taken. Yes, I'm aware I made a boo-boo, but it's fine. I think I got all the answers wrong for the real account. Oh, good grief, what did you press? Anything today, because I think it'll start rendering back to normal today. True. The horse. Is the horse in timeout? What? No, my horse is never in timeout. He's a sweetie pie. Oh, because he bit me. Nah, it was my fault. Yeah, it was my fault. So, never the horse's fault. How much time you want to trade land in 1 hour, 2, 3, etc. I give it 3 hours. Rip. Alright, I consider yourself adopt. Markets were mixed today, mostly positive, I believe. They're waiting for Tuesday. Please look at the earnings coming out Tuesday and Wednesday. Sting me. I can get a real account. It's Tuesday here now, Tyler, but yeah, I agree. I think it's on the money there. I love hearing it. It is here too. Just markets open at 9 and David, I hope you've been paying attention so you can pass your eval. That's hilarious. Trade not taken is better than a trade lost. Rusty, valid. Maybe try Lux Algo Indicator, the one with sessions. Low Labs, I do have the one with sessions. But it's this point pivot, whatever you want to call it. Look at this thing. I just don't keep it on. It's very messy. Okay, David, maybe next time, I will have to just walk you through it. Did you actually get an account though? 2 contracts and then put no take profits? No. Good thing you could be your first trade. Instalog, I'm waiting for some confirmation. Okay, let me ask you this. Why? What is the time interval you'll hunt for? Setup needs to be consistent. It's the same every day. If you want consistently. Sugar buns, good grief. Sugar pie, honey bun. Do 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 do. That's now gonna be stuck in my head. Decent bounce off of VWAP here on the 15-minute. Definitely going up slowly though, slowly being the keyword. Well, I have an account, just not what they call a real account. What did you get? Sorry, I'm good. He just bit like, yarped my finger. She's a broda. Just wait for Maya to hesitate on her setup. If she doesn't take it, you take the trade. Usually they run 100%. Okay.
Emotional damage.
So what's the time window? Well, okay. Let's think about this. In general, I do then normally wait for the 4 a.m. because it does give a good indication of which direction we will be headed. I do in general wait for the 4 a.m. After the 4 a.m. I tend to take one trade. When that trade takes place though, tends to vary, so it's a bit of a mixed bag. Sorry, I'm trying to think properly about it now. Like yesterday, my trade happened a little bit later on, but it worked out really well. But it did happen later on because I had to wait for confirmation, because sometimes London takes a little bit longer to start moving, if you will. And if she takes the trade, you fade it. Sully is so mean to me, it's not even funny. Sully, you're such a bully. I have a Discord. I do have a Discord, no man? I'm worried about what happens when things switch time zones, trade windows. What do you mean, Tyler? Oh my gosh, bitten off by a Rottweiler though. Ow! What did close out? I'm currently cooking. That's a very good question. I didn't even mark that. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Maya, can we please focus? Here we go. Around 4:30-ish. Hi. Around the 4:30 level. Can we please just... There we go. Up. Okay. That was there, that was there. This, I... Oh, I still cannot believe I did that. Sorry, this is yesterday's chaos. I'm gonna delete all of it. Sorry, yesterday's trade solidly bummed me out. Or hesitation. Yesterday's hesitation. Let's say yesterday's hesitation solidly bummed me out, but it's okay. And going back, so that would have been partials and... Well, no, it would have been a loss. I wouldn't have taken this range. So, irrelevant. We're going sideways now. So, gotta wait for confirmation that we are actually headed in a direction with a little bit more momentum. Mudcrab, are you in on this buy? Once you name it, you're gonna trade only in that time window. Okay, yeah, let's say 4 to 5. I think you're faking. You seem to. Oh, you know, it's fine. Like this, it's not bad. Like, I guess you could see that it's a tiny bit swollen there on the side. He didn't bite me hard. He just mistook the apple in my hand and just he's a little bit like me when it comes to sweeties. I get very overexcited. If your finger's in the way, I'll bite you. I don't know. Ah, flip. And that is exactly what happened. I was holding an apple and he just went Cam, and my finger was in the way. Can't even, I'll call you my muddy if that's alright. Oh gosh, it's hilarious. Nah, Boom, I haven't taken anything yet. Boom, have you taken a trade? I sure I could name it. Daddy. Probing my not sure which way Inky wants to go. Kim? Is it Kim Lol? I don't know either. Right now, I had a bullish bias, but right now it's going sideways, so I'm hands off until it goes for it, until it has a good direction and we're going. Wait for the next 15 minutes more or less for your entry. Spring burner, a carpenter, and Caesar walk into a bar. You know what? I need a badumts thing because that was so bad. That was terrible. I cannot even believe how bad that was, but oh well, moving on. A real rude toot on the hook in the door. I'm trying to be patient too. Hey, well, welcome to the club. Just sit back, relax, have a cup of coffee, chill. I'm doing a short-term guess that it's going down. Tuesday, small fall before rebound, then down, I think. My 2 cents. Good to see you are careful. Hi. Nice, Jason. Well, let's see. I can come into work and doing stuff when it's closed. Interesting.
Emotional damage.
Was it Let's Bully Maya today? Is it possible that someone can please help me with something? Send a photo of my me. Hey Brian, what's up? You're from Pretoria? I know a few people. Well, I mean, I used to live in Pretoria, to be fair. I'm now KZN side, but I know. Okay, let me not give away people's locations. Not that I know exactly, but I'm rambling. Point is, what's up? There's a bunch of South Africans here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How you doing? People doing that video. Mom, Charlie bit me, yes. Do people not know that finger? That video. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna... Okay, I'm putting myself on a minute timeout just because clearly my brain needs to form. My brain cells are not working at all, so don't mind me. I'm putting myself on a minute timeout because apparently I don't know how to speak. We're back to teach Maya English today, so I'm stopping. I'm gonna just put myself on a minute timeout because clearly the brain's not functioning, so here we go. Okay, Solly, you were so mean. Okay, there's the scream. Mike the Goat! What's up, Mike the Goat? How you doing? Should do it more often. You guys are so rude. You guys are such bullies. She probably does this. It's like a mother having a break from the kids. That is. God, that was so nice. I love when you do that, Maya. What? Being quiet? Is Kara there? Can Kara hit you over the head? Beautiful bully. Kara, imagine waking up when you're a G. The first rest Perry has had from the screech in 24 hours. Okay, fine. You know what? You guys want a silent stream? Bet. I will be quiet, okay? Does that make you happy? Love the way you work that silence. That works. Happy Papa Mari. You guys are so mean to me this morning. You guys woke up and showed violence, apparently. Boy, I'm a cook. It's a card dealer. It's much better when Maya's talking. It's less awkward and her voice bores me to sleep. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you. At least I got a girl here to have my back against these meanies. You guys are mean. We're in stability mode here. G natives, did I sleep? Yeah, well, not well, but I did. Why? Do you want to bet, Microwave? Do you want to bet? I could be silent for a whole stream. I would just have to... I don't think a lot of people would want to watch me being dead quiet the whole time, but yeah. You are such a drama queen. It's my thing. Okay? It's my thing. I've always liked the fact I didn't... It's me, you guys did, Kara did. I didn't choose me. That's true. Where is Kara? Is Kara watching? Hey Zane, what's up? Yesterday it was okay. No, it was good. It was good. I'm just being negative. So I had a really good trade during the London session, and then New York I had an awesome setup and I hesitated, didn't take it, and it would have been a winning trade. It happens. It happens. So, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh, thank you, Tyler. You're a sweetie pie. Sit your balanced star. Oh, you thought it was live since yesterday. No. So in South Africa, lucky for me, London and New York sessions are during the day. So yeah. Hey Ace, what's up? How are you? Maya's acting like she's in home. Coffee or tea? What's the local time in SA? Lance? Coffee. Always coffee. That sounds really bad. Sounds like I'm very dependent on coffee, but anyways. And it is 10:40 a.m. here in South Africa. Currently, we are stuck in the range, and seeming as we do not diddle in the middle, we're gonna wait for confirmation that this is gonna want to break out. This low-key looks like nearly a triple top on ES. Damn, okay, this is nearly a triple top on ES. This might... Oh my gosh, it's coiling. Huh. This is solidly coiling. The question is it gonna break above or is it gonna break below? Cut it up first. EA is a win-win, one-stop shopping. Fitted in Summer Bay. Why? Why? What's wrong with... What is Summer Bay? Do I want to know? You know, remember that means no muting, no talking to the dogs, no phone calls, no talking to yourself, no humming music. I could do it. I could do it. I could do that. I would be able to be quiet. I'd just have to put myself in a bit of a mood, but then I could be very quiet. Not talking 24-hour challenge, let's go. You guys are so mean to me. Can I type? She's watching, yeah, but she's not talking to me because she's in a mood. Oh no, what did you do? Oh no, Mad Crab. Well, you know what, Kara? I love you. I got you. I get it. They're being mean. It's okay. You have all the permission in the world to take a frying pan and whack him over the head. So it's okay. Go for it. Have fun. Do it for all the girls. Diddle in the middle was going to work. Leave your catch dangling real and quick around the text. Play the Jaws theme song and you'll have your answer. Now the market's closed. Oh, the London hours. I got. Yeah, there we go. Sharks are touching my mother who's younger than me. Oh, hey! Mean! Thank you, Tyler. See, Tyler's got my back. I love it. I think it'll go flat. It's at a resistance level. Maya, is your mother Tyler? Apparently. Oh gosh. Been getting lucky with some silver minis. They've been account saver, but the slightest drawdown is so drastic. Deadly volatility lately. Yeah, no, silver sounds like it's not something to mess with if you are not experienced. Kara can't handle all the kids I've adopted. At least we're not young and crying. Right? Like, we might be annoying, but we're not young and crying. You would see one Asia high and that's a game over. Why, I would start humming What a Man Gonna Do. Probably. Thank you for that, Mudcrab. Yes, that was stuck in my head all of yesterday, by the way. It was very frustrating. What else was stuck in my head? I started singing a bunch of random stuff yesterday. So you trade from 9:30 till 5. No, Nate, I do take a little bit of a break. I do take a gap in between where I go to the horses, go touch some grass, and then I start trading again for the New York session. I'll check in with her next week. Aw, thanks, Jose. Happy Valentine's. My volatility is higher now. Did you get a call about your car yet? Eddie, I did not. I eventually had to message them and they were like, we can't find an issue. I was like, I've nearly been stranded on the side of the road twice because this thing overheats. And you fixed it a few months ago. And you can't find a problem. That's great. That's what you want to hear. But anyways. So not nice when it's Shark Week. Wow. Yeah, gosh. Those recent highs will probably play a part. If you can't last 5 minutes while talking, the next trade, go all in with money for the next trade. Are you crazy? What crap. Hey, Ariel, whoop whoop. You got a winner chicken dinner? That's amazing. Well, just chinchilling right now, waiting for confirmation of which direction we're gonna be going instead of sideways. So yeah. What do the numbers mean? 13165. Oh, that's the live subscriber count. Yeah. So that's how many subs I'm currently on. Yeah, it's the live subscriber count. I have sea shanty stuck my ooh. Thank you for that. Maya, mark the New York midnight open. Thank you. Well, here is this open. Was there a bit of an imbalance? Not really, but I should really start marking these. Do you know what? I'm gonna mark them specifically with different line though. Is that open? Where's New York? I mean, midnight. Meow. There we go. Okay. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay, thank you. I must actually start marking those. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's gonna go onto my list of what I need to start marking as well. How's the time looking? Okay, maybe we're gonna start having some movement. It still hasn't closed below VWAP, hasn't even touched VWAP on ES yet. Face it, you couldn't last 5 seconds. I could. Anyway. Old man's grace. Ooh, that's a goodie. Face it, you couldn't last 5 seconds. How does the execution time frames are? They're all created equal, I wonder. Did I mark out Nyokai? I did. 000. Yep. Should I go ride a bull on this road on Saturday? Can't you? Market reader, watch how the price reacts out of it. Okay. Thanks, Zane. I definitely will. I have been aware of it. I haven't been marking it, which is, that's on me. I need to mark it. So that's the midnight. Let me actually label this one so I know. This I'm just gonna do. Okay. Can you give me a rundown of ES before I get out of bed? Okay, let's have a look at ES. ES is going sideways. But let's check out ES. Just for you, Mikuwabe, seeming as... why not? ES took out some relative equal highs. Tapped into a little bit of an order block. Still coiling. Just go check out the higher time frames. Let's check the daily. Mikuwabe, are you watching this? Because you can also check, because obviously... you know, I'm not ideal at this. Sorry. Hey, ignore that. Damn, very, very bullish on ES. Pushing up hasn't even really created. There's a little bit of a volume imbalance. I might want to come back and tap into this volume imbalance. What level is this at? 958. Sure. It's a bit of a volume imbalance. I wonder if it'll retest back down into there. Or if it's just going to take out these highs and go to... is this all-time highs? Yeah, and go back to all-time highs. Is that really all-time highs on ES? The price will reverse to it if the price is tasting relation to territory expansion. That's the live sub account rail. Definitely should put that into your notes. One first thing to do when you jump on the stream, 10-15 minutes early. Mark all your point of interest, then straight into your top down frames. Work after W on the chart. Daily you should study a little, and then 15 and 5 will be important for you to be trading on your 1 minute. Oh, cheers, Rail. Enjoy. Thank you for jumping on. Oh, sorry. I said thank you for jumping on, but that's the live subscriber. What is wrong with me today? Anyways, thank you. Like, am I having a stroke today? Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm just having a stroke today. Let's check the 4 hour for Mikuwabe. A lot of unmitigated value gaps to the sell side. Hasn't quite tapped into this order block yet. Damn, ES is pushing a heck of a lot more than NQ is, just saying. 1 hour. hasn't tapped into this order block on ES yet, so it could rally a little bit further up to around 7010. Have we retested here? Whoosh. Hasn't retested 50% of this. Sorry, I'm talking out loud. You guys know me. I do it often. Shoot, you're right. Maybe I wouldn't be able to do a stream without chit-chatting to myself. It's just me, myself, and I. This is going sideways. This is not nice. What the heck, man? I was promised a good time on Tuesday. This is not a good time. This is a yucky time. What is this? Good bounce of a VWAP there. Might... Oh, it's respected the heck out of the 50. Well, that scared me. Thanks for that. Had a possible buy, but not a clean one. Not all the block will basically set whether it's going to trend friend or retest to the bears. Ah, rare Maya awareness moment. Solly, you just woke up and chose violence today, didn't you? You really did. You were like, today's the day. Today we choose violence above all else. Hey Dom, how you doing? I'll show you a good side. Ooh, we go over there. Funny Tuesday, you're right, not everywhere. You know what? That's valid. That's valid. I will give you that. I will give you that. It's taco time. Tacos and sushi, tacos and sushi, tacos and sushi, and antidepressants. Please say you've seen that. Please say you've seen that. If not, I won't say I will judge you. If you guys haven't said that or seen that, you're probably just there going, what is wrong with this lady? You know, as long as I made Cara laugh, then I don't care. Okay, cool. This is barcoding on the 5-minute. This is a literal barcode. What do you think we could buy with this barcode right here? Better not be freaking expensive because... Anyways, back to the 1 minute. So, yeah. Right now, both of them suck. Ooh, look. That is very flat. That is a very flat candle right there. That is a lot of resistance at that 987 level. Look at that. That's a triple tap, triple top. That's interesting. Do you think it's gonna then start pushing below? Is it gonna want to break above? I think this might... No. Wanted to say I think this actually might start breaking down now, but... Break it down now, y'all. One hop this time. Okay, I'll stop being so annoying. I'm so sorry. I've never seen that in my life. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just watching. Hey Zeus, what's up? Thanks, buddy. I have a look at my card. Oh, thank heavens. Question: why is membership so expensive for us Aussies? It's like 9. It will be more around again if you know that's 5. So I don't think you can go cheaper. Yeah, cheap is not an option. So everyone comes back to you. Thank you, Debbie. I appreciate that. See, guys, girls have got each other's backs. You guys are just here to be mean to me. Love you, Debbie. You're awesome. I've never seen it, but apparently Cara has, and yeah, she did laugh. The first thing I've heard is an anger from her mouth since I got home. So that's... Thanks, I appreciate you. I got you, Mudcrab. Cara, I got you. In South Africa, do you guys have a Home Depot? We do not, do we? No, we don't have a Home Depot. Do we? No, I don't think we do. Now you got me questioning my life. I don't really go furniture shopping because it's expensive. Home Depot. I don't know. Oh wait. No. We have like a builder's trade depot, but Eastern Cape. No, I think you can buy things online, but I don't think we have a physical one in South Africa. Now it's going 50 pips down. Keep points are the low. Interest actually kind of does have an addictive personality, but I do love the time house. They're so peaceful. Wow. Oh, Rocket Man, I love you too. We are just trading in this 1 hour. I've seen him live. Oh, interesting. Huh. I think she's setting up to spike to death. Girl who says girls are usually the most two-faced. Oh, that's interesting, Mikwabit. I'm sorry, you know me. Do I look two-faced? But I've also had this discussion plenty of times where in general, like even growing up, I was always, damn, okay, are you guys ready for this? I don't think you guys asked for the emotional breakdown of Maya, but y'all gonna get it now, because you mentioned that. I was always judged in high school and growing up. Anyways. There we go. I was always judged in high school and growing up because, sweet and simply, I always hung out with the guys. Because I always just got along more with the guys, and in general, girls were a lot of drama, and I don't like dealing with drama. It's not worth it. It's really not worth the drama. But yeah, anyways, you get a label if you just end up hanging out with guys. Hey, I've seen what's in. What's up? What's in? Shh. Oh, low being stability of that time frame and high being respected levels. Always those little fights. But make them super cheap.
Emotional damage.
Aha. Do you see I've actually set an alarm for this? Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. So statistically, I get it. Statistically now, Gam, what's up? This should theoretically look some opportunities for scalps. Jose, that's what I'm kind of looking for. Guess I do, guys. Those are kind of the random emotional. Oh yay, Laura, what's up? You finally feeling a little bit better? I'm so happy. Yay! Welcome back. You haven't been trading though, have you? Or me? Also, you didn't answer me. Do you have like a singing channel? Like I said, I'd love to show you some support. Most top girls are the ones that use Slay, and yeah, me and my ex did that messy breakup. She was now. If I ever say that like unironically, I need someone to fly over here to just punch me in the face. If I ever said that like unironically, you need to come here and smack me in the face. Statistically, this should go down, but is it gonna? Sorry, I have like a hair in my mouth and it's driving me crazy. Okay, there we go, got it. Breaking above there though, had a decent push. Here's the 4 AM candle. Why are we going sideways? Ah, there we go. Broke solidly above. Okay, I think we're gonna start going. I think we're gonna start going. No, it broke above, which means it's going against the probability slightly more, which is promising. Let's see though, it did just hit the resistance level on ES. It did take out a buttload. Okay, let me not be too hasty with this. Let's wait for confirmations before we jump in. Wait for confirmations before we just hop in on this, especially because I don't like where the entry is theoretically. It's not the best place. It's not bad, but it's not great. Entry higher up would be better. Hello, Lesh. Yes, sideways. Ugh. That's one way to describe this. Now, juice to take previous day high. I don't think so. Mudcrab, you're in a short. So... I know, I think all two different combos. What's the... You pay for the plane ticket. I will do it! I volunteer! That is so funny if everyone does that or nominates to smack my own. Oh my goodness. Freckles and punching people sounds like my... Oh damn! Okay. Rick Wabe, how old are you? Oh, that's a whoop whoop and got 2 runners. Mudcrab, whoop whoop! That is awesome, well done! What the heck, man? Wait, I thought you were in a short. I'm so confused now. What? I'm so confused. Mitigated for a full green. I'm so I thought you were in a short, but this is going what? I don't like that word. No, no, it's like moist. It's not okay. I don't like it. It's just, it's, yeah, no. Just no. Just no. This is better for an entry if it comes back. It is going against, but that's okay. You would expect it to want to come down slightly. Might just keep running away. I think it's... Thank you. Thank you for that. Thanks. But loaded, not seriously. Hey Augustine, what's up? What time is it for me? It is 11:04 a.m. It's squeezing, yep. I'm at 21. 2004. Solly, seriously, did you just wake up and you were like, you know what, today I choose violence. Let's do this. Yep, this is just gonna run away without me. Okay. Same time. Oh, nice! Yes, I was in a buy. I have so many things going on right now. I was in a buy and had 2 runners. Full mitigator now. Whoop whoop plan was too short when I hit the second runner. Hey, whoop whoop, my crap, all done! Rip? No, I didn't. Oh! Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna go all the way. I mean, it's possible. It is possible, I guess. Never mind. Might be. Oh my gosh, I'm getting older. Oh, that's the first one. Whoop, whoop. Get in. I did. I jumped. Nice. Maybe violence chosen. Well, it's 4 AM for me. Still can't sleep, but it's okay. I'll watch your trades for a minute. Oh, thank you, Augustine. Also, what do you mean still can't sleep? It's 4 AM. It's like nearly morning. Didn't miss the train. The train just didn't come back to get me. The train just left without me. As it does. That's okay. You know I can't get in when it's like this. And it is what it is. Let's see if I have this. making a decent amount of liquidity now. Created that. A little bit of a rejection off of there. If I had to, I don't think it's gonna happen. Gonna do that because I think it's just gonna continue. Let's do this. Like I said, I don't think this is actually gonna come back for me, but we shall follow for now. Ciao. Ciao. Got an imbalance there. 1, 2. I think this is still just gonna keep running without me, but it's fine. What level should my TP be? Why don't you just target Asia highs? So 396.25, Laura. Just in my opinion, sorry, obviously not financial advice, just a suggestion. I mean, this all day it worked. I will return, it knows. Kara took the long, no ways. Hey Axe, what's up? How's it going? If you're on phone, it doesn't work. Yeah, good start. I'm very happy last week is finished. I paid the price for sleeping in. I hear that. The scream didn't work when I was drinking from her jug. No. Never catch a flying train. A flying train. A flying train. I've never heard it called a flying train. I would like to see it take out watermelon Asia. What a better do. Okay. The retest should be a good indication. I'm straight to jail. Oh gosh. Hey Axe, I'm good. How are you doing? Travis? Do I use Kraken? I do not, Travis, sorry. He is. He learned from you. He thought it was funny when you made me nearly die, so he was like, let's do this. Let's see if we can do this again. I respected that imbalance. I was looking at that imbalance thinking. There it goes. Bye. Cheers. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why is it malfunctioning? Okay. 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 Okay, we're back. I don't think it's gonna come back back this far. Do I even want to get into it if it comes back this far? That's the next question. Shelf here would actually be a better place to enter. To be fair, that... No, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Watch it now work out perfectly, but I would have only had 2 and would prefer stop loss to be below here. See, I want to see a proper rejection off of there. I just liked this level for it to bounce off of. Let's see if it does. It might not. Might be on. Okay, just sit on my hands. Which ones? Oh, what? That's weird. It should be working. Oh, it closed for some reason. Sorry, give me a second. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. There we go. Okay, there we go. Command should be working again. Apologies, I don't know what happened. I'm saying it's gonna sleep. Alright, and then we'll get a pullback. There we go. Retest if you want. Samuel, I have this retest. This retest just seems a little bit too far. This one wouldn't have tagged me in either. If this starts sinking like the damn Titanic, though, I don't really think I want to get in on that. But let's see. Did I just say sinking like the Titanic? That's not quite okay, but it is. You started to malfunction. I'm always malfunctioning. Honestly. You know, if I was AI, it would make more sense. Unfortunately, I'm not. I don't even have a good excuse. I was going to start off as a little red yesterday. One quick green, one red long. I'm back in the green nicely for the week. Wish I had traded yesterday and followed my rules. Hey, mad crap. But that's okay. Things happen, right? Next my deal will be fresh in your hand. So many opportunities. I'm so sorry. Let's hope I don't. Long way to go. That's a Tuesday. Thought I have most weeks. Zeus, bet you weren't short. Let's. No volume. Yesterday was 50k. I think I might short this. It's kind of iffy on whether it's going for or bear's gonna come out the woods because they're sick of the woman. Which was the bear? Mud crab? That was not okay. That was not okay. Oh my gosh. That was rough. That was rough. Here we go. I need to start trusting these levels more. Okay, would have taken partials there. This is too far down. Would have taken partials there. Gone break even. Let's see how this reacts. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's okay, I stuck with my rules. I wasn't chasing, I wasn't trying to chase a runaway train. Okay, I would have taken TP there. Let's see if it takes out Asia highs. That was a good entry. This is not so much a good entry anymore. 390 point of interest is still kind of in play. Like I said, this is... Entry is on the shelf, but this is now chasing. Yeah, there's my 390 point of interest. Tapped into, might get a little rejection here. Nah, this is going to Asia high. I'm feeling it's gonna reset a little here. Is it freaking out? I'm sorry. I don't know why it's freaking out. I apologize. Solly, you're so me. Solly, please let's not forget that I know how to make myself cry. One of these days, you're gonna say something and I'm gonna make myself cry and you're gonna feel bad. And I'm gonna laugh. Okay, just know that one of these days I'm going to cry on live because of something you said, and then you're gonna feel mean. And then I'm gonna have the last laugh. Just saying. What chart is this? Hey, Wild Heart, this is the Nasdaq futures. Is it too late to enter longs? Probably. Especially now that it's just taken out Asia high. Is it gonna go to previous day high though? I don't know. It might. Asia high gone. There, 1, 2, 3. Just took out Asia high. Here we go. What's the difference between I mean? Yep, I do feel like she's gonna head back down. Volume imbalance. Don't like where the stop loss is at all. Nope, stop loss would have to be further down at around the 0 level for me to want to take this. Back up to New York high, 390 point of interest tapped into. Didn't come back and get me. Let's see if this does start going down now. That thing's pumping. Yes.
That's what she said.
Something off here, you silly gooses. And that's basically it with managing this. It's pumping. Is your stop loss at break even? Mike, I'm not in this. I mean, I still haven't clicked the button, to be fair. I've got too much going on right now, which kind of helps. True. I grew up around 14 boys. I've done some Haney. I've never made a girl cry. I probably would feel bad. The little things in life. No, I'm joking. I don't think. Because then if you felt bad, I would feel bad for making you feel bad. So it doesn't work. Either way, I lose. So it's fine. Solly, I won't do that to you. I feel like I need another talking to from OTT. Why are we playing sad music? That's mean. Have a train along there real quick. Mudcrab, you're in for a short. Are you waiting 6 hours? Petro, yeah, basically. Gosh. Sorry, I'm dying. Okay. Look at that. Wouldn't have tagged you in. This one would have. This one would not have. The full one definitely would not have. Like I said, that just ran away. Is this bull flagging? Could it be bull flagging? It's still jumping off at that 390 point of interest that I have. Okay. Stay over there, 15 minutes. That just ran away. Tapped into that auto block. This kind of jumped off of that. Me. 415. Okay. Might go a little bit higher still. I mean, this would not be looking promising, don't get me wrong. Where is the young blood today? He should be awake by now. Who, OTT? He doesn't trade London anymore. He only trades New York session, so he's probably out doing his thing. Hey, Javon, no, nothing. Nothing yet. Why? Hit that like button, guys, and support this video. Thank you. Thanks, Mudcrab, you're so sweet. 30 minutes till gym time, I hear that. Mikuave, actually I have no motivation for today. I feel like, why Mikuave, what happened? Excuse me? What do you mean? What do you mean by that, David? We need traders. Sorry, close the chart 100%, come back tomorrow. No, honestly, Mikuave, stay here and chill. Yeah, be careful what you say. I will rage. You will see rage on the live stream. There's nothing that actually makes me angrier. I'm not a violent person, but I will lose. I'll lose it. I've been ill all weekend and now just sneezing and coughing everywhere. It's grim, I'm so sorry. It's kind of looking alright for my short, but I'm iffy. I'm somewhat going against my set plan here, but going off gut. Interesting. Roger, future... Yes, I'm trading futures, if that's what you're asking. Are you asking, am I going to be a future trader? I like to think I am a trader. Still not a big girl trader, but yeah, it is what it is. Watching this here. Watch this now also work out. And I didn't take it because I didn't want to... Okay, but not taking a trade because you don't want to chase is fine. Yes, I'm talking to myself again. You know I do this often. Don't let FOMO and make you make silly decisions. I would like to see it go a little bit higher to hit that order block on the higher time frames, but is it? Because it's definitely struggling here, but this does kind of look like a bull flag. Again, I'm not great when it comes to bull and bear flags though. Rashan, I'm so sorry. Did you send a message? I apologize. I didn't see it. Thursday, I'm planning on depositing into a crypto like Coinbase. Any chance you have experience in crypto trading? Zeus, I don't, but there's a bunch of people on the Discord that do. If you are keen on chatting to them, you're more than welcome to join the Discord and ask questions. I know that they love to, well, they'll love to help you out. Can we actually put up? Discord is in the description of this below. Sorry, it's kind of flagging, but it's not traditional. Why do you say that? Never mind, I'll go to sleep. It's 4:25 a.m. Cheers, Roshan. Go to sleep. It's okay. Go chill. Sorry, now my head's a little bit all over the place. Did you see the bug? Did you see that fly? That was a very big fly. What time frame am I on, Jose? I'm on the 1 minute currently, and we're now going. What would you call? Wait, Mudcrab. What would you call a traditional thing? Leaf? Oh, it's a wasp. That'll be great. Come sting me on a live. Let's see what happens. That'll be funny. At least I'm not like allergic. Hurts like a bee though, but hurts like a bee being stung by a wasp. think I'm funny. I know I'm not. Please don't actually come and sting me. And don't sting Perry either. I'll hurt you for that one. Mud crab, come on, bears. I'll dream about you. That's super nice. Don't mind me, I'm drinking tonight. Oh, nice! Mike the Goat having too much fun. If you sting me... That's good. Shall not stop from talking. Because usually when it flags, it's quite strict to a range, but it hasn't been that strict, so it's still been pushing, but it's controlled. 5 and 15, sure. If it stings through, I'll eat it head first deal. I see possible downtrend. Interesting. Okay, wait, let me quickly do the 5 and 15. Start with the 15 minute. There we go. 15. So it's struggling to break above here. I would prefer to see it tap into there before it retested, but it's fine. And 5. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Just stop. Sorry, that was very aggressive. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Brain cells are brain selling. Heck yeah. Get a soda can and trap it. Yeah, don't leave me alone. Basically reconstructing yourself after last week mark manipulation. Did you ask to usually I'll go up for more candlesticks before it'll go down. Guys, I mean this in the most polite way possible. I am very chilled about so many things, but if you keep talking about this, I'll put you on a timeout. Because that, yeah. Like I said, most polite way possible. Okay, small cat. Feeling may short from Asia high. Mikuabe, maybe you're right. Thank you, Miss Cupcake. I see. Love it. Are you gonna make a lot of money when they short this thing? Let's see. Oof, would have been close, but not yet. Perfect, thanks. Okay, because we can have a quick look at 1 hour. Sure. Oh no, I forgot to block out the things. There we go. Block out the noise. Here we go. Here's the 1 hour. So I mean, I did tap into this order block. It's not retesting as much as I would have liked to have seen it. Okay, let's see. Mud crab, you would never time me out. Yeah, but you're not talking about it, so no, I would not time you out. I'm selling goals this time out. No. I buy 3 candle higher. That was scary, Maya. Was it scary? Was I actually scary? Noise. I'm buying 3 candlesticks higher than that. So the one thing I've always wanted to say, hear me out. I'd buy in 3 candlesticks higher than this highest candlestick for a downtrend. Interesting. So the one thing I've always wanted to say to someone, no one said it to me recently, so clearly when I was younger they used to be like, oh, you're so cute when you're angry. I thank heavens no one said that to me recently, but do you know what such a banger response to that is? Kara, I hope you're taking notes. Debbie, you too, if anyone ever says, oh, you're so cute when you're angry, just turn around and be like, well, then watch me become effing adorable. Come on. What I come back to. You're so cute when you're angry. That would terrify me. If someone turned around and said that, I'd be like, oh my gosh. I'll ask you, which concept model strategy do you use for trading? Hey, Hassan. No problem at all. Should tap into that. I'm talking about the order block slightly higher up. So I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. And I guess theoretically you can also add in some volume profiling, specifically bob levels. Mud crab, interesting. Haven't mitigated the bearish order block. I was going to go to the previous day high, 25425. Rip crickets. No, man. Why are they? Oh, it keeps closing. Why does it keep closing? I think because my Wi-Fi is having a freak out. I'm so sorry. There we go. I hope it's working. Work? Maybe? Just a fun thought. Why? Why are things just not working today? Why? Okay, yeah, so this definitely would have been a half loss. So glad. See, this is why you don't try and chase runaway trains. Good luck trading. ICT for the win. Thanks, Hassan. You're such a sweetie. My high school would have had welcome non-appeals third. I'm sorry, what did you just say? Debbie, how will use that? Thank you. She doesn't get Kara, you don't get it. Anyway, you would say that and I would hold my own. That's mean. Gosh, that Microwave, that audacity was so brutal. Why is it not working? Come here. Oh, I have an idea. I think I know why. Maybe it will start working now. Let's see. Work. Nope. Why? Why are things just not working for me today? That is so rude. Oh, there we go. Okay, 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 okay. Ah, it's working. I figured it out. Don't bloody panic. How do you know it's a runaway train? It ran away without me. Valid. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Is white considered red here? Daddy is yes.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Nah, I was dying. Couldn't do it. Could not do it anymore. Whew. Too hot for this. But I'm back. Go away. Smash me. Whatever that's Microwave, that's hilarious. Told can I say what around and bubble. 35 minutes. What do you think about gold? You're setting up selling. Just scroll to this again. Love you all very much, but I need to sleep. It's my own fault for coming back. No, time to go to bed. Ask your dad to tell you to tuck you in. Sorry. Anyways, let's focus. Let's do this. Like I said, that would have taken me out at half. Yeah. Okay, the price action today is not looking great. Stuck on that 390 point of interest that I have on the higher time frames. I mean, here's a little bit of a push. A little bit, not great, but a little bit. Hey, Michelle, what's up? How you doing? Absolutely, I agree with you. Mudcrab, what's up? What do you want to do? Mark where your traders? Okay, you saw it that time, right? That was the damn wasp. My friend, it is boiling hot. Yep. It is hot as heck here. What's up? Please don't do this. I don't want to hurt you, so just go away. Yeah. Thanks, love. Papa Marty knows best. Get ready for it to go downwards 3 candles consecutively higher than your nearest tallest candle. Okay, Daddy Stocks. I'm gonna watch this. This sounds very interesting. I'm bearish for the next day or maybe 2. I do believe it will go up. You're bearish or you're bullish? Mudcrab consolidation. Let's see. 390 point of interest. Let's see how this goes. Okay, let's do this. Okay, Tyler, let's do both. Short term, so short term you believe bullish, right? And then long term you believe bearish. Am I correct in that understanding? Checking the putter. Yeah, sure. Mudcrab, where's your entry? Where's your exit? Where's your stop loss? Tell me the deets, and then I'll plop it up for you. Plop. That's a weird word. Anyways, I'm bullish until it goes up a little more. Then I'm bearish. I don't know how I feel about this trade now. Opposite. Oh, okay. Okay. So long term you're thinking bullish. Short term you're thinking bearish. Interesting. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, so Tyler and Daddy Stock have opposing. I had that in my head as I wrote that. Let's see. You guys have opposing thoughts. Let's see how this goes. That was a big imbalance on ES. For now. Nope, never mind. No imbalance, I take it back. Short term, I believe bearish. Long term, over a year. Oh, okay, so over a year. Got it. Okay, let's rephrase that then. Within the month of Feb and March. Maybe. I know obviously you can't tell exactly, but just out of curiosity. Or let's just say for the rest of Feb. I feel like I might still be right, but I'm still on the fence. Just for tax credits. That's valid. That is valid. 100%. I get it. Okay. 335 to 315 runner. .315 went too far. In the wrong flipping direction. There we go. Okay, there's Mudcrab. I nearly said Daddy Mudcrab. There's Mudcrab. Anyways, oh gosh. FB buy-in for downtrend will be 2 candlesticks higher than the most recent candlestick. 25400 stop loss. Damn, okay. Whoa! It's Papa, my bad. Big Daddy Crab. Where's what? It just goes down from there. My carpentry boss would say it's engineering on site. Let me fire up putting laptop out to discuss plans. Aw, thanks, Mad Crab. What is this? I'm gonna find your. Oh gosh, hey some guy. Happy Tuesday, how you doing? How's it going? Hope everyone's doing amazing. Damn, Mud Crab, that was very close to your stop loss. Holy guacamole. Didn't get in there, which is a pity, but it is what it is. Yeah. There we go. There. Cue the sad music, of course. Just on a break, thought I'd stop in and say hi. Oh, some guy, you're amazing. How's work going? Hey, the wealth algorithm. How you doing? What are we trading today? We're on the Nasdaq futures. Let's see how this goes. For some of you that are new, well, number one, don't forget to press that like button. Let's do this, let's do this. Number two, oh, by the way, I did warn you. I did warn you. Okay. Yeah, we're still not gonna have a whole day today. Is kind of like a break. Don't tell the boss. What did the little gremlin do? Oh, I'm there for him. Anyways, so for those of you that are not on the Discord, I said that I will indeed, I'm now affiliated with Tradeify, which is super exciting. For those of you that have just hopped on, I will do a giveaway next week if, there is an if. I'll do a giveaway next week if I get 10 sales using my code, which is TeachMaya, all caps by the way. If I get minimum of 10 sales using my new code for Tradeify account, which is TeachMaya, I will be doing a giveaway account next week. Specifically next week because the 30% discount is still happening until the 15th of Feb, which is Sunday. So hence, kind of giving it that little bit of a time frame so you guys can get it while it's in a good, decent discount. And if you use my code and send me a screenshot, I will add your name in again to it. So then you will have a higher chance of getting the giveaway. Just putting it out there, thought I would mention that to you guys. But yeah, that's what I was thinking. I think it could be quite awesome. Then we could do my first official account giveaway. I've never done one before, so I would really love to do it, but we need 10 sales minimum. I need no. Gosh. Thanks for the mark. I got you. Hold on. You're getting it now. Yeah, I think you should, Rib. I think you should, but it's okay. I did it for you. I think the only one that you've done. I tried to tell myself once, it didn't work. I understand that, so I just have to have take-on issues. I should hop back up and give you an opportunity to get me up before it falls off. If it bounces back off here, let's see. Try not to rush into things. Definitely took the high there, short position here. Yeah. Sugar honey iced tea. Just leave it like that and change it now. What the heck, man? Okay, let's just make it 30 because I can see this is gonna maybe go further down. As I have to move this. Yep. Never mind. Broke below that point of interest. Could definitely have a decent one here. It's just gonna keep running away. Took out that, took out that. Do not bite that, do not bite it, do not bite it. Leave it alone. Sorry, Perry wanted to try bite the wasp. Please, I do not feel like going to the vet today. Top blue line before it falls off the other direction. The bears are back, another bearish order block. Run away from the woman who chose the bear. The chart wiggles is a good place to hide from the fair value gap. Wow! Probably the right time to get in for uptrend. Uptrend? I'm curious. Hasn't yet retested that 50%. It retests here. Hi! Oh my gosh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's the matter? What's the matter? Okay. I still want to see it retest further down. No. Yep. Okay. Down we go. Please start taking this. I have 1, 3. If I have a very big rejection off of here. Got decent order block, got my shelf going on. I don't think it's gonna go this far up, but it is what it is. I'd like to see it tap into this 50% as well, so if it does start to push up, that would be nice. I want to see it retest the 50% takeout here. Oh, it's bounced off this volume imbalance again. Oh, interesting. Okay. Mudcrab, I genuinely have no idea how many children I have anymore. That's hilarious. Harry, that fly is special, be careful. I was one of the triple bars. I don't want the fame. I was just like, first soldier the vertical strip and gets 1,000 freaky boys. How much do you have invested and how much is the product your hold ability? So, are you asking or are you just saying? Sorry, Daddy Stock. I feel like I'm jumping in. Yeah, sorry. I feel like I'm jumping in the middle of conversations. Put in the highest blue line, then right after buy downtrend. What's low at Sugar's? Which low? The low currently is 368. Is that what you're asking? I'm in the same trade, just higher. Oh, Genzi, I'm. It hasn't tagged me in, so you'll get rejection now. You should be used to that.
Emotional damage.
Wow! Oh, that one. Well, Asia low is at 278.5, and yesterday's New York low is wee. There we go, 955. There we go. New York yesterday was insane. Anyways. Nope, running away without me. Sugar honey iced tea. Tap into the 50%. Let's see how it reacts here. I think it's still just going down. Tapped into opening price. Here's midnight price. Oh, it's going back to midnight price. Hiccups. All the hiccups. Liverpool man, what's up? How you doing? Hey Dylan, of course you may. I am from South Africa. What's up? How you doing? How goes it? Meet. Well, off to the gym. Good luck, man. Thanks, Zeus. Mad love. Thank you for joining. Y'all guys, don't forget to press that like button. Sorry, I know I said that weird, but it's fine. Stream. Look forward to possibly trading crypto soon on paper hands for a while now. Ooh, interesting. So took out the 50%, a little bit of a rejection off of opening price. Let's see if we continue further down. They're running far away without me today. Okay. No, don't mind me. I'm just sitting here in the corner, questioning my life choices. Did I miss the low? Sorry, can you tell me again, please? And also, yes, I know I'm in demand. And check the 1 hour and 15 for Quickman, please. Even 5. I mean, sure, I can't get in on this anyways, so yeah. Well, the lows for Asia is 278.5. Previous day low, so I guess New York low is 24955, so quite a distance to go. Shush, hardy-da. Let's check out then. You want to see what? 1 hour. Here's the 1 hour. Is retesting into this fair value gap again. Struggling to break above, but yeah, here's the 1 hour. 15 minute. Could we be going back down to VWAP, or do we think we're going to retest this properly? Maybe take out these relative equal lows. I guess Asia low here. Then theoretically I was let's see. Beginning of the stream I said this might come take out Asia high and then go to Asia low, or vice versa. It might take out Asia low and then head towards Asia high. Interesting. So it did. It went, literally took out Asia high, and now it looks like it's heading back for Asia low. Huh. Okay. 5 minute. There we go. About to tap into here. Haven't quite mitigated all of this yet. Or is it going to reject off of this order block at 339? Is that everything? Cheers, Rip! Bye, Rip. Enjoy. Mikro Wave is back. What's up? I'm so sorry. I'm being really bad. Dylan, what did I miss? I'm good. How are you? Just wondering what market hours for you? Is it the same? Oh, wait, Dylan, what time is it for you? Let's maybe ask that question. Where you at, Dylan? I like to see it go near Asia low. When you're right, you're right. And when you're wrong, you take 3 lefts and you're still right. See, I'm learning. I'm learning from the best. Back to the 1 minute. So what I'm hearing is, if I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, have like 3 losses and then I'm back at a win. Yeah? No? No? No. I'm just kidding. Just messing around. Let's continue watching what happens here. Oh, it's getting stuck on open. Little bounce off there. Okay. It's 5 a.m. Good grief. I'm gonna retest the shelf. You think it's gonna retest the shelf? Okay. I still have plenty of time. Why am I being a silly goose? There's still plenty of time. Did you do that on purpose? Did you do that on purpose? I don't know if you did that on purpose. That's hilarious. Damn it! Why is that now stuck in my head? Sorry, I've been very bad at responding, but on the plus side, I've been very good at actually focusing on the charts today, which I know is kind of weird for me. Yeah, hello. Nice, that makes sense. That makes lots of sense. This did hit the 50% of the full range. Mudcrab, I know you are still in this one. So I'm gonna retest back up slightly. I don't want to just hop into something because I think it might go there. What does it look like on the 5 minute? I mean, it's actually not bad on the 5 minute. Let's set this up. Don't hate it on the 5 minute. Is it gonna go that far back up? Is it gonna retest my shelf? I don't know. Right by that point of interest, I might want to tap back into it though, but let's see. I've got a volume imbalance on ES. Don't really have a volume imbalance. Good grief, so much here. To know more about your story. When did you start trading? Oh, what's up? Wow, Wally. Sorry, Mudcrab. That's all I thought when I saw that. Wally, are you only trading for a living? Hey, triple star. No, not yet. Am I interested to know more about your story? When did I start trading? So I started trading less than a year ago. April, if I'm not mistaken, I think April 14th was when I placed my first trade ever. I could be lying, but I'm pretty sure April 14th was when I placed my first trade ever. Super typical. It might have been a while. How's your journey? Hey Andre, how's it going? It's okay. Last week was not okay. I posted in Discord. I think last week I was down $700 and something. Like I said, last week was just not okay at all, but it's okay. You know, you're gonna have some red weeks, you're gonna have some great weeks, so it's fine. You do what you think and do not trade because of my trade. No, 100% Mudcrab, I do agree to what works for your strategy, but that's why I did check the higher time frame. It does look good. The only thing that I'm a little bit conflicted about is the fact that no, but it might still head down towards VWAP. This trade is more going for it than the buy would. Damn, I'm gonna have to rewatch that tonight. Oh, maybe. Okay, let's see. It was bad. It was really bad. But love that I stream all night my time. It's comforting. Oh, Lance, I got you. Mark of me so I don't have to keep running to the pattern. No, don't worry about it, crap. I got you. First time I must say. Wally is the new name for it. 100%. Damn, I'm gonna have to. I was there when you started. No, you were not, Andre. Rubbish. I call it rubbish. You were not there when I started. Last week was a nightmare. I was down 2k. Thank you, Dylan. So I wasn't the only one. I know me and Ninja had a terrible week. Some people had an awesome week last week. Lucky buggers. No, I'm joking. We are here to celebrate everyone's accomplishments. And we are here to comfort anyone that just... And to not feel alone, right? Like, just seeing that this sounds so bad, please. I don't mean it in a bad way, but... Is it not nice to know that you weren't alone thinking that last week sucked? especially if there's a lot of people around saying, oh, look at me, I had such amazing winning trades, da 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 da, then you feel like you messed up completely. So to have other people pop on and be like, don't worry, it sucked for me too, you kind of go, okay, I'm not alone. And essentially that's kind of what this channel's about. You have wins, we are all here to support the wins. Always. We just want to see everyone profitable here. We want to be the 5% that are successful. We don't want to be the 95% that give up. But in order to not give up, you have to also feel like you're not alone, and that if you feel like you're failing, you're gonna stop. No one's failing. It's a learning curve, right? So, sorry, last week was not a losing week. It was a lesson week. I need to stop saying losing. It's never a loss, it's always a lesson. Do I have affiliate code for Lucid? Unfortunately not, Lance, because Lucid is not in SA. Can you use Traderfy in SA? You can use Traderfy in SA. You definitely can, Lance. Is it? Am I using a prop firm? Triple star, I am using a prop firm. Sorry. Why is the chart... Is it delayed? It's not delayed. This chart is not delayed. Nope, definitely not delayed. Sorry, it might just be that the stream is slightly delayed. That's always a possibility. We're going down. Listen to... Head of Watermelon Asia Highway. Shush. It was a good week in double lesson Friday. I hear that. Hey, Pizzy, what's up? We're on the same boat kind of situation. I'm curious about... What am I trading on? Okay, so let me do a broad answer with regards to that question. Sorry, I've realized that the broad answer tends to answer quite a few questions. So, are you guys ready? This is the broad answer. I have been trading for less than a year. I'm doing a 50k challenge. Yes, I have been on this challenge for a while. I have not yet passed. I am indeed using a prop firm. I'm currently using Top 1 Futures. When I either blow or pass this account, hopefully it's the past one, I will most likely move over to Traderfy, because obviously now I'm affiliated with them, so that's awesome. I am currently trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. I'm here to be very open and honest about everything. If you guys want to see my balance, you guys can literally see my balance. Here it is, it's at 52,124. I'm trading the 1 minute time frame, but I do check the higher time frames. Well, I've gotten better with checking the higher time frames. Let's maybe... Anyways. Let's maybe reestablish that. I used to get quite stuck on the 1 minute, and luckily, because of this amazing community, I have been better at jumping between the higher time frames to get a better point of interest. I think that's everything. I think that's everything. Sorry for the long spiel, but yeah. I'm from the North Pole and I use Traderfy. There we go. There's no losses in this channel, no hope, and definitely no trend lines. Oh, I like the mindset you won't lose. You only learn. Exactly. Hey! Michael, what's up? In that case, some guy I hope Maya doesn't come visit me. Why? What did I miss? Mudcrab, absolute headache. I'm from the North Pole. Remember I was telling you to add a second shot on I can actually... Yes! Oh, what's up? Trading view is 10-minute delayed if you're not connected to your broker. Maybe that's it. Yeah, well, I'm definitely not delayed. I have the live chart going on. But yeah. Wave the credit card at the camera while you're at it. Yeah, why not? I don't know this. Pizzy, what don't you know? What part don't you know? It's delayed if not connected. It's like transaction for me. I don't have broker connected. But do you pay for trading view, some guy? Triple star, can you explain the setup up there? Oh, sure. So sorry, I forgot to mention that. I use market auction theory. Don't laugh at me, Mudcrab and Solly. Market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Yeah, that's basically it. It's super sweet and simple. I use my GAN box, mark out the range. 50% is the entry for my range. So 50% here. So sweet and simply, the trade would look like so. 50% entry. So it is a limit order for a sell. 50% entry. Then it's a 1 to 2 hour strategy, as you can see there. This is not going to go back up. Oh well. I'm going to set it in case, but I don't think it's going to come back up. Especially not that high. It's just going to keep running. It bounced off of midnight opening time. Let's see if it goes all the way back up. I highly doubt it though. And this is a very big range now, but it's fine. Sorry. Got a little bit lost in my mind. It happens. Apologies, it does happen. How are you trading Nasdaq market is closed? I'm trading futures. Yes, I'm trading futures. She ignored me. Cheddar Wheel, what did you say? Sorry, let me hop on this. Oh, you said hi. What's up, Cheddar Wheel? I apologize. Like I said, if I do not get back to anyone, I do thoroughly apologize. It's not the intention. Wow. Mad Crab, I did listen to your advice the other day and it lost. I'm kidding. That was super sassy. I apologize. But pointers. I forgot what the point is. Anyways. Can you explain how you use fib retrace? Well, I use the GAN box. And yeah, it's basically sweet and simply like that. Draw the range, top of the range to bottom of the range. The rule tends to be if it has not retested 50%, you continue with that same range. If it's retested the 50%, then you go to the next range. And as you can see here, none of these have retested 50% of the previous range. So I continue. I mean, theoretically, I guess this one did, hey? George was stuck on that 50% range. Look at that. Interesting. Big rebound off of that midnight opening. Might be back in, boys. Oh my gosh. Hey Victor, what's up? How's it going? How you doing? Sure, Cheddar Wheel, you most definitely can. Like I said, I'm very open and honest about everything. No, I did tell you every trade last week was okay. You did, that's true. Don't you use VP? I do theoretically use VP. Theoretically, I do, Victor. I've always pulled from left to right, from swing low to swing high to use support, from swing high to swing low to find resistance. Last week I doubted every trade I saw that I liked. Right, I gotta go back to ew with some guy. Why? But I'm just kidding. Hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for hopping on. Triple Star, I trade both London and New York session. Yeah, so I'm here both London and New York session every day except for tomorrow. Oh yeah, I won't be here for tomorrow's London session, sorry. I might be here for New York though. Oh, Victor, I'm glad. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see how this goes. Let me actually quickly pin this as well, quick sticks, before I forget, because I know me, I will forget. Well, technically I did forget. I should have pinned this morning. So yeah, guys, like I said, I want to do a giveaway, but let's try get a minimum. Well, I want to get a minimum of 10 people that use my code TeachMaya with Tradeify, and then we can do this thing. Then I can do a giveaway next week. Super exciting. Do I do live stream daily? I do. I stream daily, both London and New York session. Yeah. That was a very big wick. Okay, it's just bouncing between these two now. Interesting. At the bottom, Candy Mountain to the top and gamble. I'm got feeling on the drop. I mean, that's pretty good, Mud Crab Dad. And you're in profit now, obviously, but have you moved to break even? Are you following the swings? What are you doing, Mud Crab? Doing it for 1 month, but only collecting loss after loss. Okay, wait, Shadow Wheel, what do you trade? Do you use a prop firm? Did you back test? What strategy do you use? Yeah, tell me a little bit about yourself. Daddy Stocks, how many contracts am I using? For this one, it would be 6 contracts. Nice retest and head for Wally. I mean, prop firm account. Yes, yes. Triple star, like a challenge, like like either 20. I haven't decided if it's going to be a 25k or 50k challenge giveaway. Free to support, not affiliated. It's a topic and work about it. It hits that top blue line. Make sure you're ready to sell downwards. You really think it's gonna go that far back up, Daddy Stocks? I'm using only SMC. And triple star, how long have you been doing that for? I've mitigated to green, yeah, so guaranteed double green, but I'm hoping to at least hit first TP. If it goes downtrend before uptrend, I'll tell you when it is going to go back up. Okie dokie, okie dokie. And you don't think this is now? What do you think it's going to end up doing now? Maybe that's the next question. Okay, Mudcrab, remember what we spoke about yesterday? The slow up for a sell is not ideal. Is this maybe bad? This might be bad. That being said, it is consolidating a lot before the drops today, so maybe not. Found it off of there. Tapped into that order block on the higher time frame. I'd like to see it go back down to VWAP. Will it go back down to VWAP? Let's see. I'd like to see a strong rejection off of that ES there. I've been using it 1 year plus. And triple star, how's it going? First one, fucking. Last $5 account and other stuff. What is a prop firm? Ooh, cheddar wheel. Got a bunch to teach you. So prop firms, you have challenges, but it gives you leeway. So while you're figuring things out, it stops you from blowing through your capital. So it's not your own money. Well, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's quite a bit to explain about prop firms. There's a video that I made on prop firms if you want to check it out. It's a very old video, don't judge me, but it does kind of give a bit of a explanation. You can expect 20 point down, tapped into the auto block. The market's slow to your entry, I know, which is technically good but also bad. Let's see. I was sitting until then. Oh, JB. Rochelle, no, you can't sleep. I'm so sorry. It'll go to VWAP. Don't love that. Jumped into the new shelf. But I think VWAP is inevitable. And I'm bullish at VWAP. Sugar honey iced tea. Went into the fair value gap. It tapped into both fair value gaps on ES and NQ. Really? Or really? Gonna start dropping without coming to get me there? Oh, okay, cool. Wait. I used the wrong range. I used the wrong range. That was the range. Shoot. Oh my gosh, I used the wrong range. That's fun. That's so much fun for me. This was the correct range. This is where my entry should have been. Do not swear, do not swear, do not swear, do not swear, do not swear. That's not because up 25 market. My mind can't. That's not good. Value gap. What do you do when you're not trading, Samuel? I go and work my horses. I chill. It's okay. It's okay. I didn't. Oh, shoot, man. I used the incorrect range. I think. Let me double check this. Yep, I used the wrong range. Damn! This was the correct range. Sugar honey iced tea. We'll tap back into there. Okay, I have to remind myself not to chase. I want to chase, but I have to remind myself not to chase. If I wanted to chase, I'm like, See, but that's cheeky. That's now cheeky. That fair value gap was respected so nicely, though. Shoot, man. Do it, swear me, Kawada, stop. 15, please. Gorgeous goth girl. Goth girl, interesting. My heart is with someone else. So sorry, I didn't know you had the wrong ring. No, you should. No, it's fine. I'm joking. I didn't notice at all. 15-minute. Shoot. It's okay. I mean, I had the correct range on the 15-minute. It just didn't retest high enough into the fair value gap. Would be nice to see it go down there. What does it look like on the 5-minute? It tapped into the inverse fair value gap. What does it look like on the 5? Yeah, tapped into the inverse fair value gap here. And now drop. Drop it like it's hot. That was a big wick. You know when you're contemplating doing something, but you know it's a bad idea because it's bouncing between the two prices. So it's probably a very bad idea. No, don't do it, 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 don't do it. Do not do it. Leave it alone, leave it alone. Okay, value cap loves me. I like to see 383 area for a short. Oh, interesting. So you want to see it retest further up, Jake. My, what's up, girl? Great to see. I want to make a comment to Jake Shakespeare, but it's okay. I'm gonna leave it alone. Don't do it. Thank you, Jake. Nope, you're correct. Don't do it. Watch it work out because I didn't do it, but don't do it. Okay, guys, what's up, Maya? What's up, Lurk? How you doing? Oh, we're back. This is the 1 minute, sorry. Trading at 11 is diabolical. Why do you say that, Leo? I've traded at this time a few times and it's actually quite nice. Right, it's dressing us. Patience, old one. Listen, young child. Careful. Zoom to where? Zoom in. Do you want me to zoom in? Bouncing all over the place. This is money in the stock market. No, 100%. Mikawava, you could have entered on that one. I was considering it, but I do indeed feel like I'm chasing in a very rangy value. Zone of value? Is that what it's called? Spiritual blocker, don't do it. Yep, I suspect it could still go up and then hit the downtrend I mentioned on Discord with pictures. I quite like London Open. Yep. 13.2k and thanks, Lurk. You're such a sweetie pie. Old one. That's so mean. Anyways. 30 best times. Leo, what are you doing EST time? What time are you talking about? Good girl, sorry for being in a mall. Don't stress, man crab, I got you. Oh good, patience is good. No, it is. Who is a Lurk? He's one of the awesome people, part of the community. Why? Also, hey Demonte, what's up? How you doing, bud? Ooh, patience. Thank heavens I didn't do that. This could now be going back up again. Okay, you know what? Clearly I'm a tad bit indecisive today. So let's not risk doing something ooper duper stupid. Because, you know, I do that sometimes. And let's not let FOMO win. That would have been so rude. That would have been so rude. Look at that. Hey, Solly, look, it would have been a Maya special. I know how much you love those. Okay, let's say we did full range, right? Solly, is that what you were asking about? Full range? So, Solly, again, it comes back to the backtesting with regards to... I have noticed that when it comes to the full range, well, not the full range, when it comes to the range, if it has already mitigated the 50% of the full range, it tends not to come back there. I know this is a little bit more stuck on the 1 minute type idea, but yeah, so it did take that 50%, so that would have been the entry. It still wouldn't have gone far enough down though, so let's see if that would have worked. This was the other one I was keen on. Back up into that inverse, but if it's gonna respect the absolute heck... Oh! Was inverse and a little bit of a volume imbalance on this wick. Interesting. Okay. Leo, I don't even know. I just traded. It works. I mean, Leo, I appreciate the honesty. That's awesome. Hey, James, what's up? Hey, I'm on here from early days. And some yeah, I agree, Mudcrab. It's hot as heck here as well. It makes me nervous how close the downtrend is of, yep. What's up, girl? Great to see you. I had amazing stream trading last night. Hey, Insider Trading Futures, how you doing? Was the stream good? I'm so glad. I mean, yesterday was a green day, which is awesome. Today... Theoretically, I missed one trade here. Theoretically, I missed one trade here. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. The others are not ideal. I'm not loving a bunch of these trades right now. So, I mean, a little bit bummed that I missed this trade, but at the end of the day, you know, it is what it is. So, no trade right now. A Maya special, you guys. Yep. Would have made the montage. You guys are so mean. That would be the best time for you, personally for me. 11. Waste my time. Just wait it out. A good trade will pop up at some point. Jake, no, that's 100%, right? There's always another trade. You can't be upset about the missed ones. Only be upset about taking silly ones because you missed a good setup and you got FOMO. That's actually just it at the end of the day. If you take a silly trade because you get FOMO for missing a good trade, then that's on you. I have learned my lesson many a times by doing that. So, I'm not gonna do that again. Can you show where 25328.50 is compared to where it is now? Sure. 25328. that's this line here for you. To where it is now. So it is exactly around 35 points away. If you clean up your hair, you'll get more subscribers. If I clean up my hair, what do you mean if I clean up my hair? My man, normally my hair's down. It's just way too freaking hard to have my hair down today. Screw it. Just screw it. Do I have a YouTube channel? Yes, I do. Maya, want to hear a poem I just made? Absolutely. I'm so keen. Do it, do it, do it. Redlands. Redlands, I like it so fast. I have to tell myself every day. Jake, honestly, it's such a mental game. I know everyone warned me when I started. It takes a lot on you mentally, blah, blah, blah. But that is exactly what I did. I was like, oh, sure, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm going, oh my gosh, you were so right. Why did I not listen to you? Why was I not more mentally prepared? Oh, I just threw that away. Anyways. Looks like a good spot to buy low and sell high. What do you mean? Are you, what? That's like saying it's good to take a buy and a short here. Sorry, John, what did that mean? But also, hi, what's up? It's amazing news. Green yesterday, keep it up, girl. Appreciate you stopping by last week. Thank you for the support. Of course. Like you said, we gotta, you know, traders gotta support each other. 100%. You must have your headband in every color. I like the white one. Like such a Maya thing to microwave. Oh, I've been trading from the wrong range and getting pissed by a few points. Yes, getting pissed. Getting missed by a few points. Listen here. I could have re-entered, theoretically, just saying. Could have re-entered there. I'm just not convinced that we're not going to be stuck in this range now. So, I mean, please leave me alone. Please go away. Oh, okay, guys, you got a guest wasp over here. Could have re-entered here. It is respecting, but the fact that it's rejecting less and less off of it is not great. That's what I'm kind of watching right now. He's basically talking investing in a day trading strategy. Oh, got it. Maya trades chance live, making candle form. She's still on faster than any break outside. Richard, that's awesome. Oh my gosh. Please tell your YouTube channel and what's your YouTube channel name? Oh, actually, sure. It's just Teach Maya Trading. Sweet and simply. Yeah. Just type in Teach Maya Trading. Sugar honey iced tea. But I was unsure. It's in a bit of a chop here. Leave it alone. Don't do it. It's fine. I'm talking myself out of things. It tells me about discount 5 when you can sell it when it goes. Yeah, there we go. Microwave. Perfect. Perfect. Just finished all the welding. Into whatnot. Into. I'm happy to go. Oh, nice. Okay. Be fair. It's been a move in progress forever. I've been. Hey Justin, what's up? I'm okay. I'm okay. How's it going for you, Justin? A little bit frustrated with the price action today. That being said, I only missed one trade. Maybe two, looking at this now, but it is in a bit of a chop, so I'm not exactly upset for not taking it. Because it is in a bit of a weird position here. Looks like it's gonna work out, but it is what it is. Looks like a boring market, a little bit, not gonna lie. I may wait to see what liquidity is taken after 6:30 and then trade pre-market. Ooh, I mean, that's not a bad idea. Stuck in a range, yeah, 100%. Breakthrough. I want to break free. No, I'm joking. What about it? Are you asking this to break through? It's like, are you having a breakthrough? Maya has the... I do not have the tism. I have 80 of them HDs. I am not Justin, no. Like I said, I missed this trade here, but otherwise the price action just hasn't presented me with a good opportunity. I mean, this, I guess, would have been an opportunity, but it's in a very weird, rangy value position over here, so I'm not too keen on it until it breaks out and chooses a direction. So let's see, maybe it's just a no trade Tuesday morning for me. Insider trading futures. Yeah, I want to say a few, but not that many. I'll pop you a message. Sounds like you need more coffee. I do. Didn't you say salt was spicy? No. Maybe. Don't judge me. Why are you judging? Oh wait, it's Solly. Of course he's judging. Rude. Solly's always judging me. Solly's over here just with all the
emotional damage.
It was not safe to trade, so why trade even if it worked? 100% chill, dude. That's why I'm hands off. I don't have a trade set up. I'm just checking if it would have worked, but I don't like that. It's kind of thinking between the two prices. It's kind of what it did earlier as well. It does mean when it breaks out, it might move solidly, but you know, which direction? Facts. This is a boring market now. Yeah, so let's see. Maybe New York's gonna bring some super nice stuff. I'm hoping. Okay. Just wait to take one at 25333. How long have you been live streaming for now? 2.5 hours. Justin, yeah. It's like when people say jalapenos are hot. I mean, are they not? Are jalapenos not hot? I think jalapenos are hot. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll go put myself in a timeout. Give me 2 seconds now that it's going back up. Okay, sorry, I saw a question just now. Come on, that was so good. The depth explanation of what the market's doing right now again, please. Microwave, but which one? ES or NQ? No, I mean yes. No. Oh, I haven't even been streaming for a year. April will be a year. When I started trading was when I started streaming. So yeah, April would be a year of me streaming. Yes. Maya would lose to a fight. I would indeed. I definitely would. No, I would do it. I'd be able to keep a straight face, but I wouldn't be happy. Let's put it that way. Maya would lose to her chair. But she can handle a solid wall spot. Guys, I can't even show you. I won't be able to show you standing up. I actually have a dent. I have lots of dents in my leg. That sounds bad. But I have a dent in my leg from a horse kicking me. I have a dent on my shin from falling off of a horse onto like a concrete slab with my leg. I have a sore hip because a horse kicked me on my hip. I actually have a photo of that. Like you can see the hoof print and everything where the horse kicked me. I've had a horse fall on top of me. I have a stretched ligament in my knee because I fell off of a horse. It sounds like I fall a lot. It was just this one horse in particular. He taught me a lot. See, never a loss, never a fall, always a lesson. Taught me how to sit anything, and I fell off and hit a metal fence with my knee, and it stretched the ligament in my knee. I was very lucky the one time where I fell in the same concrete slab that I fell with my shin. I fell somehow with my neck and the concrete slab there, but I don't know, just the way I fell, I didn't hit it. Luckily, I didn't hit it, but it just missed hitting my neck. It was very, yeah. I've fallen where the jump didn't fall. I landed on the jump, but because my knee landed on it like that, the jump didn't fall, so that was fun. So yeah, listen, I've had a lot of damage happen to me. I'm surprised I'm not broken. Candle, candles, even salt is too spicy for my. Yes, it is. I was thinking this because you said it's going bling 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 with your finger going up and up. I don't understand when people think they're hot, but it's because they are, Mudcrab. Maya stuck in range. Nasdaq won't choose a sign. Even the candles are yawning like, nah, just chill. I'll probably pass even fast as possible. Some people just take a day trading and go do it with ease. I wish. Right? Right? Some people can take one trade, pass an eval, and then they're done. I don't like, and I'm terrified of horses. Okay, no, but that's like over. I started riding when I was 3 years old, so you can't, like, that's not that bad considering. There's a lot worse that's happened to a lot of people. Theoretically, in 20 plus years of riding, it's really not bad. This girl needs to work on her balance. Listen, yeah? Uptrend before downtrend is my final call. Okay, so uptrend 25299. What? Sent a picture in Discord. I'll check. Oxygen is too spicy. Hey Mad Shorts, what's up, boy? If you listen to Daddy Mudcrab one day, that wasn't last week, you would have passed Eva by now. Less than yeah. Less than yeah. Am I good at riding? I'm okay. I feel like I used to be, if that makes sense. But unfortunately, like a lot of things in life, you have money, it makes things easier. It's easy to pass a one trade, just catch an A+ trade and you will be done easy as that to pass a proper. Yeah, Risha, I'm working on the consistency, right? Because that's what's important afterwards. Heyo, Shady, what's up? How you doing? David jokes are actually picking up steam. Am I good at riding? Oh. Good grief. Maya's riding the charts asking for a friend. Bro didn't get the chart. Ah, wait!
That's what she said.
Oh my gosh.
That's what she
Nah,
said.
too late. I did it first. Oh, range, go away. Seriously. Okay, I'm hoping then that New York brings some juicy price action. That would be amazing, please. Right now, this. Do you guys want to know what this is? This is what this damn price action is right now. It's, yeah. It's just not okay, but it's, yeah. How many monitors do you use with your trading setup? Well, for my trading, just the one, and then obviously I got you guys and the stream on the other side. But yeah, only one monitor. What you see here is what I got up. That's it. Yeah. So I have ES open on the one side. Yeah, so I got ES open on the one side because ES tends to drive NQ. Then I got NQ here, then you see me jumping to the higher time frames. Maya's about to leave us for a horse that kicked her. No, my horse hasn't kicked me. The one stood on my foot. Oh, right, my foot is actually bruised because she stood on my foot on Friday. Yeah, she stepped on my foot solidly on Friday. It was rude. She did try to kick at me yesterday. Rude as well. My horse is just clumsy as heck. He might accidentally step on me, but it's not on purpose, and he accidentally bites me. Again, not on purpose, it's just because he's so clumsy. Justin, yeah, you're welcome. How about Nat Gas? Can you help? Hammer? What? Who does that every single day she leaves us for? Oh, so cute. So hey, Augustine, what's up? How you doing? Bias 3, one to stream, one to read chat, and one to monitor. Wow. Bite serve. There we go. I mean, well, no, my horse, he accidentally bit me yesterday. I had an apple. He's like I said, he's like me when it comes to treats. He gets way too overexcited about treats. And I had an apple and he was like, aha! And my finger got in the way. Need to get rid of you by the time you catch her. Guys, I'd probably be making more money if I did that. But no, I won't do that. Hey Kings and Traders, am I looking for buy trades or sell trades? I'm looking at just keeping my hands off this rubbish right now. I was keen on a short here, down to VWAP, maybe back down to Asia low. So I was quite keen on a sell, but it's literally stuck between opening, well, market open and midnight range. It's literally just pinballing between them. You want to trade Nat Gas? I've never looked at Nat Gas before, sorry. Wait, you have a horse? Let's see the Augustine. Yeah, I definitely have my horse. If you have Discord, you can go and see him. His name is Finn. There's also some shorts. If you go check out some of my shorts, he's in some of my shorts. My sister used to jump from the second floor to the sand. What the heck, man? About to do that now and break a knee. Hey, Lifted Ray Charles, what's up? Thank you. How much do you make and what do you have to pay in taxes for when, say, you invest 10k and get a return on 9k? How much in taxes did you have to pay? Well, I don't really invest and I haven't had a payout yet, so nothing for me yet, but everyone else answer that one? I can't lie, if you put me in the same room as a horse, I'd probably have a panic attack. That is hilarious, especially because it would probably leave you alone. Everyone, I'm telling you, wow. That implies that you sell trade to. Can you tell me which pair it is? I'm trading, well, this is the Nasdaq futures. Yeah, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures currently. I am using a prop firm. Again, I'm sorry, I know I mentioned this a lot, it's just because I'm excited. I am now officially affiliated with Traderfy. They are having a special at the moment, which is super exciting. You guys want to get that discount, there's a 30% discount on all accounts. You can use my code, it's TeachMaya. I did pin it in the chat. And yeah, oh, if I get 10 sales using my code within this week or until the 15th, which is when the sale ends, by the way, I will then do a Traderfy account giveaway next week. But I need a minimum of 10, or else, unfortunately, it won't happen. So yeah, if you guys want to have a giveaway, which would be super exciting, but if you guys want to give away, get those sales in. Is there a reason you named him Finn? I kind of like that name, but is there a reason? Did you just... Oh, no, so I didn't choose his name. So I didn't choose that name. So his real name, his racing name was Violin, and I was like, well, no. So I thought Violin, Finn, it works out. This poor horse had so many. So he's actually, sorry, for those of you that don't know, he's actually a rescue horse. Like I adopted him. I didn't buy him, I adopted him. He's actually a rescue. So yeah. And yeah, his name was Violin. Technically this poor horse has like 3 names. I don't know why. But yeah. when I adopted him, his name is Violin, and I just went, well, it's Finn now, and it's adorable and it suits him, so yeah. Just mention you should mention that I'm genuinely amazing, still super proud. Oh, thank you. I appreciate my crab. I'm down 6k, then see what happens to me. Damn, Roshan, if it does, noise. Awesome. Question: can I trade futures on MT5? I'm not actually sure. It should be a Discord giveaway. Impact comp I used to on MT5 consolidation range. The fit freaks me out. I hear that. It almost has the same nick. Oh, cute, man. In England, we have rescue dog and cats, not horses. Yeah, I mean, we have rescue dogs. I mean, technically, my dog's also a rescue. He was on the side of the road. Wow, I just collect rescues. Anyways, and back up we go. Oh, it's coiling again. That being said, this is low-key some sad price. Oh, gosh. This is hands-off price action. This price action sucks, but it's okay. Yeah, no, you need rescue places for all creatures. Unfortunate. Well, no, unfortunately. It's unfortunate that you even need to be rescuing them, but it's fine. No, I don't think you can. Ah, there we go. I think that's where maybe I got it mixed up. I think you mentioned Finn the other day. So Kingsman Traders, what's my strategy? Sweet and simply, it's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. There's also some volume profile going in there as well. That's like sweet and simply the easiest way to explain it. Okay, if I drop on best one, if I lose, I'll treat it as a stop loss. There we go, Jan. I mean, why not? As for forex broking, you might find some that do futures, but the best software for me with futures is NinjaTrader. Really? I've heard NinjaTrader can be quite confusing. A lot of people tend to just say TradingView is quite nice and simple. Oh, that's a pretty solid break up on ES for now. Let's see. Classic head and shoulders pattern, short theory running and good profits. Theory mentioned shush. Bob to bob, exactly. Bob to bob, okay. Mud crab is a myth. That's a risky. Wow. Fixed with ICT and SMC conferences and a little bob to bob. The trader is a headache. Wow. Wow. There we go. See, I think trading views are just more like beginner friendly. Maybe that sounds weird, but yeah. You guys are so brutal. You guys are so brutal. Shame. Shame. Meanies. Y'all are such meanies. So Daddy Stocks, I love NinjaTrader. See, I've never used NinjaTrader, so I actually shouldn't even have an opinion. I'm just based off of what a lot of people said. Like, even before I started reusing TradingView, because I was using Project X, I did a poll and I was like, should I stick with just Trade-of-8, go to TradingView, or use NinjaTrader? And TradingView won, so I said, okie dokie. And I did it. Honestly, first few weeks it was, but the layout of NinjaTrader is so good, and with NinjaTrader I can have 4 trades open without paying for a monthly subscription. Oh, interesting. There we go. Do I stream on Discord too? Unfortunately, I don't. Sorry, Jake. This is uptrend malaria. I'm pretty sure. This is closer to the uptrend than the downtrend. Interesting. So you think this is going to continue back up to this blue line and then back down? Right, Daddy Stocks? That's what you think is going to happen? Hey, Israel, what's up? How's it going? I only use FTMO. Let's keep thinking. Maya says trader bait. No. She picked me up in a room. I didn't notice when she fell in love at first sight, apparently. I kind of have to wait until the morning to meet her properly. That is hilarious. Have you guys heard that? It's such a bad pickup line. Sorry, but you have to... walk up to someone and be like, do you believe in love at first sight or should I walk by again? It's terrible. It's terrible. Don't use it, but I just think it's funny. Or no, this is more of an insult than anything else. This is more of an insult. I used to be a very negative person, so oof, guys, we're going to go into some deep psychology here. When people used to ask me why I worked out so hard, I used to say, you know, no one falls in love with personality at first sight.
Emotional damage.
Daddy Stocks is Horses are heavy. I remember being stepped on and stuck as a kid. Yeah. Hey Benjamin, what's up? Sometimes I feel like putting trading because it feels complicated. Israel, how long have you been trading for? Traded pages. Thing is, you don't have to choose. You can have an account on all three, but the worst one is I've used Traded can't stand it. Oh, interesting. I think I find you should learn from me. Gonna do the uptrend bounce a couple times to the top. Just start. Don't give up. Do not give up. Believe me. Believe me. I used to blow through I used to blow through prop accounts all the time while figuring things out. It takes a while, but yeah, it takes a while. Don't be the 95%. I always say the reason 95%, well, everyone kind of says this, the reason 95% of traders fail is because they give up just before they're about to make it. It is complicated. Like, don't think this is going to be a quick and easy journey. I think that's where a lot of mistakes are made. It's not quick and easy, but at the end of the day, if you put the effort in, if you put the grind in, you're going to be good to go. But you just have to be willing to do that. And you have to have money you're willing to lose, or else the emotions become too much. If you don't have that, unfortunately, maybe paper trade, figure it out until you do have money you're happy to lose, and then go from there. I do, Daddy Stocks. Let's get you a payout. Heck yeah, I'm keen for that. Do I want to know? Do I want to know? I don't even know if I want to know. I used to blow through. I forget. Sure. Shady. My aim is hands off until this decides what the heck it wants to do. Hey John, what's up? How you doing? They say the same thing about gambling too. But this is different. I can make you around 50% to 100% rating. I can't lie, I've been messed up enough and gotten with a few. Miguabu, explain. Stick with your strategy. Yep. How much can you make off a prop room? Well, you have to pass the eval first. Yeah. Not always about the looks. First thing that came to mind. My friend says that about the horses. Big pattern recognition and discipline is the best two essential things you keep you in it, and you have to stay patient. Yep. Do you trade forex pairs? I do not. Sorry, John. Oh, got it. Exactly. Gamblers quit right before they win big. Yeah, but this is not gambling. Okay? Okay, cool. This is not gambling. Hey Shady, our time frame, I'm on the 1 minute currently, so I do tend to trade the 1 minute, but I do check the higher time frames. Nope, hands off, leave it alone, leave it alone. I was tempted to maybe set up buy here, but just leave it alone. It just looks like it's gonna keep bouncing for a little bit. How to rescue quarter horse? Do you live near a horse track? Not too close to the racing track, no, unfortunately. I don't even live close enough to my horse for me, but yeah. Oh, Rashan. Meaning it was a rev and I was a bit stuff started dancing with the roll of the lights. Hey Hey, Cliff, am I a full-time trader? Yeah. And how long have I been trading for? Not even a year yet. What do I trade? I trade the Nasdaq futures. Ricardo, how do you change the color of the candlesticks? Oh, sugar honey iced tea. If you go into your settings. Yeah, if you go into your settings, you can change everything that you want to change. So you do all the question type of stuff. Do you have your own little questions set up in your paddock? So, Mud Crab, it is on the Discord. I used to be a 120 show jumper. I still jump, but I mostly just do like rehab work for horses now. But yeah, I used to be a 120 show jumper. And yeah, again, gotta have money to be successful in this. I do, Anton, I do have a horse. But yeah, in the arena I do have, well, it's not my arena, but yeah, there are jumps and stuff set up. The horse I'm doing a rehab with, she does jumping. Mine is just, I'm making sure he doesn't die from the heat. That's about it, that's where I'm at. Oh, that's quite funny. Oh, that's very funny. If this continues. Oh, tapped into a volume imbalance on ES. That was my original trade. For a short. Huh. Interesting. Like I said, there's the original trade for a short. 120 centimeters, mud crab. Or 1.20 m. I lost around 7k USD before I was profitable. Lose 3k in live account, then I found out about prop firm, lose 4 and that, then it's like, nah, it's not worth it. Give it up for 5 months, then started again. Interesting. So interested why I chose to become a trader. Oh, Cliff, so there is also a whole video about it if you want to go check out the video. But sweet and simply the freedom. Sweet and simply the freedom from people, the financial freedom, you know. Sorry, no, don't worry. You were riding and jumping with horses, yeah. This one's gonna break through, that's cool. Yes, on Discord. Maya hesitating on a trade, price going to rip. I didn't hesitate, I had it set up. It just took too long to get there. It's like high jump, just sure. Yes and no, except you have to, oh, how do I put this? You have to jump. Horse riding is quite complicated. I'm trying to think about how to explain this to non-horsey people. You have to jump between 10 and 12 jumps. Each of them have specific distances. Oh, here we go. Yep, that's gonna make me mad. Hey, but these are the ones you're gonna take. That's so rude. I had it set up, Solly. I even had it set up. It took too long and it's in a bit of a ranging situation. Of course it would have worked though. Of course it would have worked. David, 0 today. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Rude. Hey, Jumpy Slice, what's up? How you doing? Okay. Okay. Because I'm gonna be a salty human being. Speaking of the horses, I'm gonna go to the horses now. Go touch some grass. I'll be back for the New York session. Don't forget, guys, giveaway. If I get 10 people who use my Teach Maya code with the Traderfy account, I'll do a giveaway next week. So get those sales in. That 30% discount ends the 15th of Feb, so Sunday. Yes, Sunday. I'm gonna call it there because it's okay. I love you guys madly. I will be back New York session. Oh shoot, I won't be here London session tomorrow. Sorry guys, I apologize about that. Gotta go sort out passports and things, but I will be here, New York session, hopefully tomorrow. But see you later. I love you guys, Natalie. Have an amazing time. Trade safe in the chop. Love you. Bye. And